Hello students. So as you all know, we have completed pronoun in our previous classes. We have completed many of the grammar topics. Now again I am discussing about the pronoun. You might know what is pronoun. You have already learned in class 1st to 6, right? So what is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Noun को replace करने वाले word को क्या बोलेंगे? Pronoun, right? Pronouns are substitutes for nouns to avoid repetition. और pronouns हम लोग क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? So that we can avoid the repetition. Suppose for example, Saurav met Suruchi in the garden. Saurav invited Suruchi to coffee. Suruchi agreed. Saurav brought Suruchi home. Saurav and Suruchi took coffee. Now, if we substitute this noun Saurav and Suruchi and we can replace it with pronoun, then how it will become is Saurav met Suruchi in the garden. He invited her to coffee. She agreed. He brought her home. They took coffee. Now this sentence has become now much more easier and easy to understand, and no repetition is done here, right? So the words he, she, they, these are used in place of nouns. Okay, but in the first sentence we have to introduce the subject so that in our next sentences we can relate for whom we are talking. Now we are going to discuss about the kinds of pronoun which is given in your textbook. So let's see. So this is the flow chart which is given in your textbook. We have to study this chart. Okay, now first pronoun we are going to discuss about all its types. First is personal. Personal, if we use for a first person, then we will use I, me, we, us, it. If we want to use for a second person, then that means you. Third is she, he, her, him, they, them, their. This is the third. This is the pronoun which is used for the third person. This is the personal pronoun. Next is possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, what is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun means the ownership, to own something, right? So mine, yours, theirs, this is the ownership of a person. For first person, for myself I will use mine. For the second person, if I will talk about you, then I will say yours. And if I want to talk about many or the third person, then at that time we will use theirs. Next type is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive means which refers to a subject. Okay, like myself, yourself, themselves, these refers to a subject. Next is demonstrative, which shows something, the closeness and the far, the object which is near and the object which is far. And in that sentence if we use pronoun, then that is called demonstrative pronoun. If we use for the near one, then we will use the word this, these, far. And if we want to use for far, then we will use that, those. Next type is interrogate. Okay, interrogate means to put some questions. WH questions, when WH questions come in a pronoun, then that is called interrogative pronoun. Suppose example who, whom, whose, what, which. These are interrogative pronoun. Next type is distributive. Distribute means to refer to a person or things one at a time. Referring to a person or a thing one at a time. Suppose for example each, either, neither, any. This is distributive pronoun. Next type is relative. To relate something. Refer to one you mean. Okay, like who, whom, whose, which, that. This is relative pronoun. Next type is empathetic pronoun, in which we put stress, like myself, yourself, himself, herself, ourselves, themselves, itself and yourselves. Children, see that empathetic and reflexive, these both can be used in a substitute. Okay, as a substitute we can use this type of pronoun. Next type is indefinite. Indefinite means not referring to any person. जब हम किसी भी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के बारे में बात नहीं कर रहे हैं या किसी भी रैंडम पर्सन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then that is called indefinite. Somebody, everybody, anything, none. Somebody has stolen my pencil. No one knows who has stolen my pencil, then that's why I am using somebody. Accordingly, each and every word in this used is indefinite pronoun. Next is reciprocal pronoun. When we reciprocate, done to each of the others, when it is done for each or to others, right? And the example is each other, one other. So these all are the types of pronoun which we have studied so far. Okay, let's solve the exercise of it. See, underline the pronouns and state their types. Read this first sentence. Why whoever rubs the lamp or the ring. Okay, now whoever, this is again the word which comes under indefinite. Okay, so I have completed this exercise, one example with you, and the rest of the paragraph you have to solve it on your own. Let me give one more also. Why whoever rubs the lamp or the ring. Whoever is underlined and this is indefinite pronoun because we don't know who the person is, right? They belong to whoever rubs the person or the thing. Now again they, turn back, find where it is written they. See, here it is written they. It is used as a personal pronoun for a third person. Okay, similarly you have to complete all the paragraph and get this exercise done by today and send it to me. Okay.